to my channel, and today I will be unboxing the Gorillapod tripod. This is a 3K Kit Smart, and I believe it's pronounced Joby or Joby, but it's a camera mount and an iPhone mount as well. So we're just gonna unbox this and see what we're working with. So you can see a little bit how it looks from the side. It does include a phone mount, so you can put your phone on it, but you also can put your camera on it, and it can go on different types of terrains. As you can see, lumpy stuff goes around poles, and just can go on a lot of different types of terrains, which is very nice for a tripod, since most standard tripods can only go on flat surfaces. This one can go on lumpy terrain. So this is ABS plastic sockets. It's flexible with wrapping legs. It has rubberized ring and foot grips, and it's removable, so you can change your tripod stand. And here's some pictures. You can add a microphone to your camera, which I have on mine already. You can put it against a tree branch if you want, and you can remove it. So let's get opening. Again, I'm probably just gonna remove the box. All right. So the first thing that we got in here is our instruction manual, as usual. Let's see if there's anything of importance. So it's just gonna show you picture-wise how to set it up. So just put it in there. Connect the tripod, put your camera on it, and you're all good. They also have a Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Google+, and an email if you have any issues with this product. All right, let's take it out. Here is our phone mount that we have. I don't know if this is anything. I think it's just to hold it in there. Let's remove these and the plastic. All right, so here we go. Here is the tripod. So, as I can already tell when moving this, it's moving not at the top, but it's moving like the second ball down, and you can move any ball to any location. So it's very, don't mind my cat, it's a very variety driven tripod. It's kind of hard to work with actually, and try to get this part to move, but so you can see it's kind of lumpy as it is. I probably wouldn't use this to do regular videos. I have a smaller tripod already to do regular videos, but this would probably be good for when you're out in nature and you're trying to get a picture. This would be good to do because you don't want to take a big tripod, so you can set this on a little pole or around a pole and use it that way. So let me take out the phone mount, and we're going to test it out with my phone since I'm using my camera to film. Alright, so here is the tripod phone mount. I'm not sure how I lift this up. There we go. So, I think you lift that up to do it. So we're gonna put this on here. Just a standard screw on, like usually all the tripods are. Alright, so that is my phone on this. So you can tell it's on here good. And you can see the camera on there. You can see the camera on there. Let's try to change the legs here. So you make these legs go all the way out. So it can be lower if you need it to be lower. You can even just probably hold it and do something with it. But this tripod's pretty interesting. Like I said, I probably won't use it a lot for like my camera because again, you don't want to use something that may fall and break your camera. But the good thing is this also has a balance beam, so you can tell that it's not balanced at all. So that's a good indicator to see like where on your tripod it is balanced with the legs. And then this, I think, oh yeah, so this moves the top part of the tripod. So you can move it like backwards, or you can move it all the way forwards and then just tighten up straight again. So that is the tripod. It's pretty simple, pretty easy. This would probably be more recommendation to like use in nature somewhere out there where you can wrap it around, stuff like that, or on terrain. but I probably won't be using this for like everyday use. So I will use my regular tripod, but this would be a good way to use on a trip if you're going camping, or if you're going to the beach, or if you're just going somewhere you don't want to take your big tripod. So this is that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys want to see more unboxing videos, make sure to like and subscribe. I have done 5 or 6 already, and I'm always getting new stuff, so always gonna be unboxing a lot of stuff. So make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.